Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe, and happy Mother's Day to all you moms out there. Without you, certainly there would be no us, so thank you, moms. Traders, this video coming at you on a Sunday night, Sunday through Monday. That is May 9th, 2022. Welcome to livewithoscar.com. So, because I'm going to take my lovely wife and my family out for Mother's Day dinner, I will present you with one of these videos instead of getting out in front of the camera. But the information is fantastic. Watch this. Traders, before we get started, we know this is risky. This is a risky business trying to trade stocks, commodities, futures, anything. So, you crypto thrown there, you name it. So do me a favor, please put your stops in, put them in first before you trade, okay? So what's going to happen Sunday through Monday? Well, let's step out to a weekly picture. The projections remain valid on the Russell 2000, which I had given out, I don't know, a week or so back. We are projecting down to 1698 and then maybe 1643 in the Russell 2000. We know no market goes straight down, right? Nothing goes straight down, but we do expect to get down here. Now, the last time I used this very same chart in a video and gave you projections in the Russell, we were up here in this arrow, in this little circle here, and I gave a projection for the 1840 area. Well, look where we ended up. Smack down in the 1840 area. We almost hit 1800. New projections were given out sometime up here, and those projections are for 1698 and then 1643. Over time, this is a weekly chart. So we'll see what happens. The first set of projections worked. Nothing goes straight down. Remember, kids, markets tend to go up a little, then back down. But eventually, this is where we should go, especially if they continue raising interest rates, and crude and such is so expensive. Projections remain valid. Let's move forward. So what's on the menu? A salute to flags. You see this one here? Bear flag. This video is a salute to flags, kids. Watch what comes next. Let's go take a look at crude oil. A big pennant flag. Breakout of that pennant flag. Buy the dips in crude. It looks like it could rally up and stay inside this channel and work its way higher. If we had a decent dip on Sunday through Monday, we would get long at an OMNI area. If you're just looking for mentality, buy the dips in crude when you see them while we're inside of this channel. So another flag shows up. What else is on the menu for trading Sunday through Monday? Look at the euro, traders. The euro is soon to be at par or even with the US dollar, meaning they will both cross at around the 104 mark, somewhere around there. It's on its way right now, where they will both be worth the same. Haven't seen that since, I don't know if I ever have, or maybe only in the beginning of the euro, but here we are, approaching par. Now, flags on the euro chart. Quite the salute, as the euro has given a lot of respect to these bear flags. The little blue one over here. Look at the way this thing drops. Smack down. That creates a flagpole that we will use for the big orange one over here. And look how it respects the orange flag. Down, down, down. Now we've developed a third flag, and it looks like we're starting to break through the bottom of it. So we might as well go with that flag formation and expect the euro to go lower, trading Monday into Tuesday possibly. That's what I'm looking at. Quite the salute to flags. And for you stock traders out there, have a look at this one. NVDA. Bear flags like crazy. Look at the way this bear flag, the red one, worked. Right? Down you went. Now we've developed a blue flag. Well, no difference in color. I just decided to make them colorful. And another flag formation, and down we expect to go. Plus, you are inside of this massive channel. So, NVIDIA fans, we will sell rallies. The Omni's got its eye on NVIDIA and some other markets out there. I do not see a clear-cut entry into E-mini, S&P, or NASDAQ. We'll play that by ear. Please be careful out there, traders. Join me at my site, livewithoscar.com. I'm always there in my live trading room. And remember, Stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, remember that. Put your stops in. Keep your emotional decisions out. And join me at livewithoscar.com. I'll see you there.